While John's working on the Range Rover Sport, I'll be working on this beast, tinting the windows. GMC 2500. It's a big truck. This thing's a new 2020 model. It's massive. It's gonna get SunTech carbon all the way around. It will keep it cool, give him privacy.
All the promises made, broken made. Broke my heart, you tore it in two. So why am I still thinking of you? I don't wanna be in love.
That's it for the Denali 2500. Window film install, SunTech carbon all the way around. It's off-road use only, it's dark. But we appreciate you watching today. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. We appreciate it. Have a good one.
All the promises